Did I just catch you giving her money?
Yes, you did.
I can't believe that you just did that.
Did I just catch you giving her money? Hadda ma waxaan kugu qabtay adigoo iyada lacag siinaya? Yes, you did. Haa, waad igu qabatay. I can't believe that you just did that. Ma aamini karo inaad waxaas samaysay.
I don't want her growing up to be a spoiled brat.
I don't want her growing up to be a spoiled brat. Ma rabo inay weynaato ay noqoto cunug magac laga badiyey. Magac laga badiyey qofka fahmayn waxaa waaye ilmaha wax yar waa loo sameeyo. Bratna waa eray loo isticmaalo ilmaha, laakiin inta badan waxaa loo isticmaalaa ilmaha yani istaxida lahayn.
It's not like that, honey. You see, there's this toy that she really, really wants, and I want her to have it.
She is my daughter. My daughter. Do you understand that?
It's not like that, honey. Macaanay sidaas ma ahan. There's this toy she really, really wants and I want her to have it. Waxaa jira bombale ee aad u rabto, waxaan rabaa inay haysato. She is my daughter. Waa gabadhaydii. My daughter. You understand that? Gabadhaydii. Ma fahamtay taas?
I don't need you going against all of my parenting decisions.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to...
Enough! I asked you to come stay with us so that you could help me. But instead you're making everything worse.